The masculine hierarchy. If you miss one, everything else will crumble, my brother. And you need to understand this if you truly want to run things to the top with your health, wealth, love, and happiness and live life on your own terms. So, what are the four M's first and foremost, right? There's money, there's mastery, there's mating, and mobility. Every single man wants to optimize for these, whether you like to admit it or not. It's a derivative desire. You all want to achieve the highest level of yourself, which is mastery. You want to have a lean, strong, athletic physique. Don't lie to yourself, bro. I know you fucking do. Mobility, you want to have time and location freedom. You want to travel the world. You want to experience everything you possibly could in this finite little life in which we all live. And then we have mating. You obviously want to optimize for mating. You want to have your attractiveness through the roof. You want to be more fuckable to some extent. You want to have sex with the best quality partners. And if you're anything like me, you're not really worried about body count or whatnot. You want one core female partner which you can take over the world with. And then you also have, what was the other one that I missed? I think we have mastery, we have mating, we have mobility, and we have money. Money, you want to earn a lot of fucking money. Because guys, money's not the be all and end all. Let's be real, it's not really the case. But the more money you have, the better life you're going to have from an experience component. A lot of you guys potentially optimize only for money as a whole. And that is why you don't feel whole yourself. You feel relatively quite empty, quite shallow, quite unfulfilled because you just chase extra zeros, you chase extra promotions, you just chase getting some cash in the bank. And it's great when you're getting the cash coming in, it really is, but it's always going to be a very unfulfilled experience if you're not mastering all four core M's across the board with this strategy, which I'm going to run through. So guys, discipline and identity will always be the gateway to achieve mastery across the four M's, right? If you, as a man right now, do not have the identity to match up with the standard, or vice versa, the standard to match up with the identity, your actions are quite soft and quite weak, then you're always going to miss the mark and second guess yourself, right? Because let's be real, when it comes to mating, for example, having a world-class 10 out of 10 woman in your life that cares for you, that loves you, that supports you with everything you do, if you are fragile, you're not a good leader, you're breakable, you are easy to manipulate, you've got a low EQ, emotional intelligence, and you don't have a body, you don't have a strong body, you're always going to be or find yourself in very, in and out relationships. You're going to find yourself in places and spaces where you're always chasing rather than attracting. You're always trying to cold approach techniques or tactics rather than just being able to be the guy that walks into a room where your aura is so 10x that women just want to be around you, want to come to you, they feel safe with you, they feel secure with you, they feel that if they leaned into you because they're just throwing themselves at you, that you're going to look after them, you're going to step on business, you're going to be the guy that just handles the shit. Right, so you obviously want to be making sure that you're building yourself from the ground up. You've got a really strong, solid set of non-negotiable habits. You're running something like the TD5. You've got the body on point with the, frictionless body system in which we run with all of our clients. You've got something in check that's just going to allow you to become the man that does not miss. A really high value, high quality man without all the gimmicks and bullshit like your Andrew Tates and stuff where it's like more toxic than anything else. Like I do agree with what Andrew Tate says, probably 95% of the time, but a lot of this stuff is, take it with a pinch of salt, guys. But you obviously want to optimize to be more fuckable in the dating market, because see, when you are high value, high standard, you've got a great body, great mindset, people will attract to you because you are not what the world sees, but you are how you see yourself. And when you see yourself as the guy, then your self-worth is going to be through the roof, your confidence will be through the roof, and with high self-worth, high confidence, then you will be in a better position in the dating market. Simple as that. Mastery, right? The other M, which we'll touch on next. Mastery is absolutely crucial. As a man, it is your mission, duty, role, and responsibility to leave a legacy on this earth. After speaking to hundreds of clients over the last couple of years, legacy is something they speak about. They don't want to die or get buried or put in a box and have their last breath or whatever it is when they're old and grey and look back at their life thinking they never actually conquered it and mastered it and left a legacy for their grandchildren and their grandchildren's grandchildren. For me personally, I'm very motivated in life to be the McFarlane that sets the direction for the rest of the McFarlane generation and heritage. I want to be like the first millionaire, for example. I want to be the first McFarlane to, set the rest of the McFarlanes free. I want to leave that legacy. I want to show the impact in which my vehicle, my business, my mindset, my purpose actually can have on the greater good for the rest of my family to benefit from. That would be mastery. But again, you can't master a legacy. You can't master growth. You can't master this amazing life if you've not mastered yours truly, the man in the mirror. So how do you master yourself? Similar to the mating component: discipline, non-negotiables, alignment, rock solid physique, bulletproof mindset, high performance habits. All of this has to be paramount in your life. You can't look at yourself and not see the man you want to see and then try pursue goals that are far bigger than you. You need to become the force. You need to become the undeniable presence. You need to become someone who is unfuckwithable. You need to be cut from a different cloth. You need to be bulletproof. You need to be carved from fucking granite and be able to compete in this crazy life in which we're all living. Otherwise, you will be steamrolled by your competition. Someone else will take your spot, and someone else will take the success in which you think about every single day. So you must master yourself. If we were to speak about money, for example, money is energy, right? Money is always going to flow towards those who bring the most value to the world. If you are not valuable yourself, then money will always be an issue for you. I just literally, looked at my phone right there and I just got a message. Right, I'm going to cover who messaged me saying, there we go. He said, paid. Let's go, my bro. I just got an inquiry and he paid straight away. I just sent him a link and said, here we go, jump in, done. I wasn't looking for sales today. It's not like I was actively hunting for money today, but I attracted money because I just spent 2 hours on a call with one of my clients in America, provided massive amounts of value on his personal brand, his business, his mindset, his lifestyle, connected with him, came off the call in a very high frequency state, hence why I'm filming this video now. And I just got paid, not only by him that was paying me for the consultancy, but paid from another client that wants to be around my energy, my vibe. Because money, right, always flows in the direction of those who are bringing the most value to the world. But if you're not valuable enough in yourself because you lack the personal development, you lack the mindset, you lack the vehicle, you're never going to have the level of money you want. I think we're maybe sitting on 23 plus grand so far cash collected this month. If I can check my Stripe, and I'm like, this is sick. This is really, really cool to see. And that's in great British pounds. Yeah, 23.6k cash collected, and I'm a solo business owner. That's me, and my business is set up in Dubai. It's pretty much tax free. That's all going to go back into the business, all going to go back into my lifestyle, all going to go back into my self development. But I used to really struggle to hit bigger months in my business. I used to really struggle to, hold a standard. I'd hit high months and hit low months. But see, now that I've got a consistent standard with my health, my wellness, my well-being, my mindset, the way I operate, the standard I hold for myself, then the value is always going to be very high within myself. Therefore, external people, the value in which they want to take from me will always be, much higher than the money they exchange with me. So money flows where energy goes, and etc., etc., etc. If you want to make more money, become a better man, become a better version of you. Otherwise, you will always sell yourself short. Otherwise, you will always be looking out rather than within. You never have a money problem, you have a personal problem, personal development problem, right? And your level of success will never exceed your level of personal development. So if you want to have more success in your life, personal develop more. So we've covered money, we've covered mobility, we've covered mating, we've covered mastery. We've not actually covered mobility. This is the thing with the 4 M's. Crazy. There's 4 of them. Right. Mobility is the last one. Mobility, time and location freedom, to be mobile in your life, right? There was a long period of time where I was landlocked. I was trading time for money. I had my own gym. I was serving 70 clients every single week, whether it be one to one or in small group personal training. And I would work with them hour by hour, 70 hours a week in a gym in a box that I owned. And I'd drive to the gym, which took an hour. I'd leave the gym home, which took an hour. I'd have an hour lunch break every single day, and I'd train for 40 minutes every single day. I was landlocked, and then I'd go home and sleep and repeat that 7 days a week. And I'd done that for years. Yes, I made a lot of impact in my marketplace and space. Yes, I made good money. Was it fulfilled though? No, because when I was younger, I always had the dream and the ambition on traveling the world, living where I wanted, tropical country, palm trees, beautiful heat every single day. I could maybe get a tan, even though I've been in Bali for over a year now. I've not got a fucking tan. But now I live between Dubai and Bali, right? Two pretty big hotspots when it comes to a man's place to be. They really, you could speak to any guy and they're like, I want to be in Dubai. Why do you want to be in Dubai? Well, tax free, low to no crime, it's warm, 365 days a year. It's a good place to be, but Dubai's not fully for me. It's for me sometimes. But Bali, different game. Nature, low cost of living, great people, amazing food, incredible network. The UK itself doesn't have that. It's pretty shit. It sucks. And I never wanted to live the rest of my years in the UK. So what did I do? I mastered myself, mastered my money, mastered my mating, and then optimized for mobility. And I got to a point 2 years ago where I could move to Dubai and set up my business there, which gave me tax residency, which freed me from needing to pay tax anymore. So money went up, then status goes up, then mindset goes up, then mating even goes up further. And then me and my partner are getting married next year, and it's like everything comes from mastering yourself, brother. It comes from mastering you. So understand this in the highest level. Everything that you want across the 4 M's comes down to you becoming a better version of you. And as Bob Proctor says, the current results you're getting in your life are coming from you as a person. If you want better results as a person, become a better person. It's as simple as that, guys. So if you're looking to take things to the next level and you want to find out the frameworks and the blueprints and how I can help you with either of the 4 M's, whether it be getting better quality women in your life, making more money in your life, moving location in your life, or just mastering yourself in your life, my vehicle, my program, my process pretty much is the pathway to do that, because I wouldn't coach anything that I'm not authentically connected to. So if you want to find out more, there will be, pardon me, a link below in this description of the video. It will give you a video to watch based upon the pain points and whatever. I'm gonna make you cry in the video, and then you know, we can chat on WhatsApp on this phone. Me and you, how we chat, run through our core 4 audit, see where you're at across your physique, your purpose, productivity and performance, and we'll see what the next best pathway for you has to be when it comes to winning across the 4 M's and the 4 P's. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the description below anything I can help with. If you want to see more content like this, talking about little nuance systems in which I operate from a mindset syntax component, let me know. But really enjoyed filming this, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.